Hey guys, welcome back to Delph Stack, and today I will be showing you TikTok profile view history feature, how to enable. So to do this process, first thing is you could just simply go ahead and open up the TikTok application into your device. Now, once you are here, guys, you could just simply go ahead and go to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, once you are on your profile, you just simply go ahead and tap on the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. And then over here, you can just simply go ahead and go for the settings and privacy at the bottom. Now, over here on the settings and privacy, you just simply go for the privacy over here at the account category. So tap on privacy, and now from here to enable the profile view history, scroll down guys and you should be able to see that feature viewers down below as you can see over here. So tap on viewers and make sure to turn this on. And from here, you should be able to see who viewed your profile in the past 30 days and which followers viewed your post within 7 days of the post date. And if others have these settings turned on, they will also see that you viewed their profile or posts. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.